Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet S10, price $9,500. This is a compact truck with impressive modifications and features. This particular S10 has a mileage of 60,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission, making it a great choice for enthusiasts who enjoy a more engaged driving experience. It boasts a striking red exterior complemented by a gray interior, offering a classic yet bold aesthetic. Powered by a 383-stroker V8 Chevy engine and fitted with a Detroit Locker PosiTrack rear end, this truck delivers exceptional power and performance. The 5-speed manual transmission ensures precise control, making it a strong runner with a robust mechanical setup. Designed for those who appreciate classic trucks with upgraded capabilities, this S10 exemplifies durability and style. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet K1500, price $6,000. Powered by a 5.7L 350 engine, it has accumulated 177,000 miles and features a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in a rich burgundy color, complemented by a clean and comfortable gray interior, giving it a classic and appealing look. This truck has been regularly driven and performs reliably on the road. Recently, the front end underwent a complete professional rebuild at a shop, with receipts available to confirm the work. Additional updates include new belts, pulleys, sensors, and spark plugs, all replaced with documentation to ensure quality. It also boasts brand new tires, enhancing its readiness for daily driving or heavy-duty tasks. Number 3. 2000 Ford F-150, price $6,995. With a mileage of 119,502 miles, this vehicle is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Its striking gold exterior is complemented by a beige interior, offering a blend of durability and comfort. Powered by a robust 4.6L V8 engine, the F-150 showcases Ford's commitment to toughness and performance. Running on gasoline, this truck is ready to tackle daily tasks or adventurous journeys. Located at Sterling Motors, 603 9th Avenue Southeast, Watertown, South Dakota, it comes with essential features like a bedliner for added utility, a towing package for enhanced capability, and alloy wheels that provide a stylish yet durable touch. The interior is spacious and practical, making it a dependable choice for drivers seeking a balance between functionality and comfort. Number 4. 1978 Ford F-150, price $8,000. This is a classic truck with just 50,000 miles on it. It features a manual transmission and a brown-on-brown color scheme for both the exterior and interior. Powered by gasoline, this truck has been carefully maintained and performs exceptionally well. It runs, drives, and stops great. The engine is upgraded with a tow cam, a high-rise intake, a 750 brawler carburetor, long tube headers, and true dual Flowmaster 40 series exhausts. All paperwork for the upgrades is available, and the truck comes with a clean title. Additionally, the sale includes several extras, such as a passenger door and a tailgate, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts or collectors. Number 5. 1987 Chevrolet S10, price $4,700. With 180,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has been well maintained and remains in excellent condition. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, a vibrant red exterior that turns heads, and a stylish black interior that complements its overall look. Powered by gasoline, this S10 has undergone several updates to ensure optimal performance and modern functionality. Recent upgrades include a new catalytic converter, a new battery, and the addition of a push-button start system, making it more convenient and user-friendly. Whether you're a collector or simply someone who appreciates the character and history of classic pickups, this 1987 Chevrolet S10 offers a unique blend of nostalgia and practicality, with its updated features enhancing its value and appeal. Number 6. 1972 Ford F-250, price $4,000. This is equipped with a 360 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, making it a capable and reliable classic truck. The odometer reads 121,000 miles, and it runs and drives well, having last been on the road in October. The exterior and interior are both finished in brown, and the truck uses gasoline as its fuel. Recent updates include new brakes all around, along with new front calipers, rotors, and bearings. Additionally, a new water pump and alternator have been installed. While the frame remains solid, the truck requires significant bodywork. The floor pans, body mounts, and inner front fenders need to be replaced, and the bed is beginning to show signs of rot. This vehicle offers a strong foundation for restoration and continued use. Number 7. 1990 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500, with 112,345 miles, an automatic transmission, and a striking black exterior paired with a red interior. It runs on gasoline and features a V8 engine swap. The 355 V8 engine includes dual valve springs, a mild street or strip cam, and an Edelbrock dual-plane intake with a 600 CFM carburetor. It's equipped with a TH350 transmission with a shift kit, advanced adapter headers, dual electric fans, and a brand new exhaust system for enhanced performance and reliability. The suspension is lowered with 2-inch spindles in the front and 3-inch blocks in the rear, complemented by traction bars and a 3.73 Posey rear end with upgraded axles. A 2-inch cowl hood, rear roll pan, and lift-up tonneau cover add style, while new tires on 3rd-gen Camaro rims, LED headlights, and a Grant steering will complete the package. This S10 combines classic looks with modern upgrades, delivering exceptional performance and style. Number 8. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900, with 240,000 miles, features an automatic transmission and a blue exterior and interior. It is powered by a new GM Performance L31 or 350 Vortec crate engine with upgrades, including a comp hydraulic roller cam and a Phytec Go EFI 4600 horsepower fuel injection system, offering excellent power and drivability. The truck also has long tube headers, a true dual 2.5 exhaust, Flowmasters, and Richmond 4.10 gears. Although the front driveshaft has been removed for non-off-road use, the rebuilt 700R4 transmission includes a Corvette servo, BM shift kit, and a 2200 stall for improved performance. Cold air conditioning adds comfort to the driving experience, making this Chevrolet 1500 a powerful and well-equipped truck. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has traveled 135,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a sleek black exterior and black interior, running on gasoline. This model is powered by a 6.0L engine and is part of the Square Body series. Key upgrades and improvements include a new Phytec fuel pump and tank, along with all new high-pressure fuel lines. The vehicle also comes with a 2NP208 transfer case, a new 3-inch exhaust system, new mirrors and door handles, and a new steering gear. The truck has also undergone significant restoration with all new rockers, cab corners, and front-end components such as rotors, brake pads, calipers, and bearings. The interior has been fully refreshed, with the exception of the seat. Number 10. 1979 Ford F-150, price $10,000. It has been extensively modified with a 2012 Mustang Coyote engine and a 6-speed transmission. The engine has around 90,000 miles, while the transmission has 23,000 miles. It has been integrated with the Ford Racing Coyote control pack, allowing real-time performance data to be monitored via a smartphone. The truck also features a custom walnut dashboard and door panels, a 4-inch lift with 33-inch tires, American racing rims, a 456 rear end, and custom track bars. The bodywork needs attention, but the truck is praised for its speed, power, reliability, and loud performance.